These are my 5 best places to buy camera gears I can recommend. At number 5, we have ViewTime. The best thing that I love about ViewTime is their variety of accessories in photography and videography. And at number 4, we have Snapshot. Many people will argue with me that Snapshot is one of the best suppliers or companies, but just because they don't have prices on their website, it's a struggle for me because I don't feel comfortable always asking for a price, and maybe I am doing a window shopping. And at number 3, we have Jacaranda. Jacaranda is one of my best suppliers just because I can do a trading comfortably with them. Maybe I had bought a product or a gear from them, a lens or a camera body, and I want to upgrade. Other companies do the same, but for Jacaranda, they do it in an excellent way and they give you the best prices. And at number 3, we have Robees Electronics. Robees Electronics has a variety of gears, from camera bodies to good lenses to stand lighting and all that. Robees Electronics will sort you out in your photography and videography. And at number 1, we have Elite Aperture. Elite Aperture is one of my best supplier because he has nice quality gears. His camera customer service is at top notch. And also, if you have a product and it is in good shape, you can go and resell it to them. So guys, those are my 5 best places I can recommend that you buy your gears in. I'll put all their website in the description below so that you go and check them out. Thank me later and see you in the next one.